Hello everybody, and today I'm going to be doing a little bit of different videos to how to. So I ran into some trouble with my webcam, not able to zoom in or move it, digitally. Of course I can move it, but I'd show you a little example here. I'd go to here and go to configure video. It just come up with this. I'd never seen this before. And I can't zoom it. I can only do like exposure, brightness, contrast, and shit. Anyway, so I tried looking up videos, forums, trying to figure out how to do it. Couldn't figure it out. Tried downloading this, didn't work. I found an older one, does work. And so you want to click this one right here. Oh, and yeah, it'll pop up with this. You go down here, click no thanks, continue downloading. Then you click this. Then it'll start to download. Now I'm gonna say discard because I already have it downloaded, and it preemptively did this because I got dookie internet. Then you want to run it. It'll go through pretty quick. Some of these parts I might fast forward. I don't know. And then hit next. It'll detect the webcam. Yup. Next. Yes, motion detection. Next. And this I'll fast forward, so I'll be right back. Alrighty, and we're back. It finished installing. So then it detects it, or yeah. So webcam, and then it'll say microphone. There we go. I think I'll just leave it as it is. Don't mess with it because I don't know if it's gonna try to fuck with my mic or not. Hopefully it doesn't change it on here, but and then it'll want you to restart the computer. So I'll be right back once after I've done that. Alrighty, so now that you've restarted your computer, so you can either open up the software here, and you need a webcam controller, and then you can zoom in. But now here I'll show you an example earlier. If I go to this and then configure video, now it shows up, and I can zoom in. Well, alright. I hope I could help. I helped at least somebody because it took me a while to figure that out. And if you liked the video, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I'll see you in the next video.